Take a step. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. I don't want to talk in cliches, but when you look up at the dark night sky filled with beautiful bright stars, what do you see? Tell me, what do you see? A dark sky, a vast, infinite darkness, and beautiful sparkle in light of the stars, reminding you actually that life still has opportunities for you. Life is a gift from the multiverse. Everyone actually learn in the darkness. Yeah, in the dark. This is the world. This is the world. If you are looking for, if you are looking to see justice, you will not see it. You will not see justice. There are as many flowers as there are thorns. And that's true. Wherever you stretch your hand, it will come to you. Flower or thorn. God. You must establish justice for yourself, for the lives you have lived, for the opportunities you have burned and missed. Don't ruin your future. Don't ruin your life. Don't ruin the opportunities that remain. Come on, choose your path, build your future. You're saying it again, cliche. But my dear, if the sadness in your life ends, do you even know how to be happy, really happy? Tell me. Why do you think the beach is beautiful and peaceful? Has the beach always been this beautiful and peaceful? No. The beach has reached this peaceful beauty after battling hard, heavy rocks and a lot of excitement. In this chaotic world, you need to improve and deepen your relationship with who? With yourself. Yeah. Don't give up in darkness. You have to take a step and see and hear and experience and understand and learn what opportunities you still have, what opportunities you still have and don't know. By experimenting, you will be surprised and you will create more and more opportunities, and they will be created. You have just to what? Take a step. Yeah. So, what do you think? Write a comment for me, and always remember there's only one you. No one can take your place, and you cannot take someone else's place too. Okay? I love you. Bye.